Do you want to start making money before YouTube monetization? You are on the right video. In this video, you will learn how to find the best niche, create faceless YouTube channel, create faceless videos, and how to find the best digital products to make substantial amount of money. And the crazy thing is you can automate everything with AI. At the end of this video, you will be able to start generating money from your YouTube channel, but it's super important you follow all the steps I'm about to share with you, otherwise it won't work. The best niches for digital products are the ones which have problems in, for example, health, finance, travel, relationships, etc., and can be fully automated by AI, and most importantly, which have high demand and people are searching for. If you already know how to create a YouTube channel, skip to the next part, although I'm sharing some SEO tips, so it might be good to watch. Still, if not, head over to YouTube and click create a new account and click create a channel, then choose a name and username. You can ask ChatGPT to give some name suggestion for YouTube channel for your chosen niche. There are tons of AI image generators out there, and you can really go with any you like. They all work the same, since I know you want the free stuff. You can use Leonardo AI, which is 100% free, and it produces high qualities images. Leonardo AI will help you to get all the images required in your YouTube journey. You can also make your YouTube channel logo with Leonardo AI. Now we have created our YouTube channel, it's time to start making our faceless YouTube videos from scratch. To create our faceless videos, we need a script, voiceover, and some visuals. For script, you can get help from ChatGPT or Dub AI, or you can write it yourself. Just make sure you write a good script, because it's the most important part of the video. If you have the best editing style, but your script is trash, your video will flop. Now we have our script. Next part is to create a voiceover for our script. For this, you can use 11 Labs. It has a variety of sounds. You can use any according to your preference. For visuals, you can once again use Leonardo AI or any other software which provides high quality images. To edit your videos, you can use CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any other software according to your preference. Now it's time to find the best digital products related to your niche. For that, head over to Digistore24 and search for the program which can help your viewers in relieving their pain points. For example, in health niche, you can sign up to promote this program, or in my niche, you can promote this YouTube automation program. On each sale, you will get a commission depending on the program offer for affiliates. You can also create your own digital products simply in the form of online courses or PDF files, but it's better to start as an affiliate in the beginning of your faceless YouTube journey. If you want more videos on affiliate marketing and digital products, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.